This is the lunch menu, which people are in now. We'll have a quick look around. As it's open, the other ones are not open yet. So it's a little bit smaller than the main one, but quite well served. So again, we've got top self-service for wine, beer, white, red and rosé there, and also Keo beer, soft drinks. And then you've got all the salads. Pork loin, spaghetti, and these hot plates with grilled meats, lentils, chicken, roast chicken and rice today. That's pretty nice. Bit of beef stew. And also they have a soup as well. Today it is onion soup. So I might have a bit of that later. And then you've got the cakes. All very appetising, I'm sure you'll agree. And they've got a carvery here as well where he's serving roast pork roast with apple sauce. Very nice. They do that lunch and dinner as well. And you can get these self-service drinks, so coffee and tea, hot water. If that's what you need, you can just get it here. So, that's the lunchtime place. Coming round here, that's dropped casual dining, which is like I said, lunchtime. Then you've got